signal for all aboard, so we'll be leaving the Jim Thorpe station. Now look on your left and you'll see the red roof is Asa Packer's mansion. Now if you look at that stone wall to the left, down the hill. This invention would later evolve into the anti-rollback device used on most roller coasters today. This was also when the railroad extended its name to the Mop Chunk Summit Hill and Switchback Railroad. The modernization of the railroad reduced their passengers' round trip from 4.5 hours The memorial bears the words of King Gustav of Sweden as he presented the 1912 Olympic medals to Jim Thorpe and said, "Sir, you are the greatest athlete in the world." Now, just this past May, they crossing the Lehigh River again here for the last time. So if you look to your left, you'll see the town of Jim Thorpe sitting on the banks of the Lehigh. And if you look to your right, it'll look like there's no tracks underneath us, because the bridge being so narrow on the right-hand side here. Also, there used to be 3 bridges here at one time, and on the right you can see the footers.